Oh, such a little sweetie marshmallow you are. Good girl. Step up. Step up. That's right. That's right. What a good bird. What a good bird. What a good bird. Would you like to go back to your cage? Would you like to go back to your cage? Good birdie. Good birdie. Oh, Athena. Athena, okay, yes, I know. We haven't put you back yet, but making a fuss. What a good little parakeet you are. What a beautiful budge. What a beautiful budge. That's right. Would you like to go back to your cage? Good girl, Marshmallow. Now, gonna have to set this down for a second to open the door. Let's see if I can get a nice wide shot here. Sonic. Sonic, would you like to step up? Some millet. You need to step on my hand. You want to come here? Step up. Step up. Step up. Good. Step up. Step up. Step up, Sonic. Come on. Sonic. Frickin' bird. Come on. Sonic. You want that? You want that? Come on. Do you want the millet? There. There, good girl. Good girl. She's literally eating out of my hand. Look. Come on. Okay, come here. Come on, baby. Okay, come on. Little bird. Come on. Would you like some millet? Sonic. Sonic. Come here, little baby Sonic. Come here, little baby Sonic. Hey, you want some millet? Okay, let's take it slow. Just get some millet right now. All right?
I'm going to eat this orange.
All right, go for it. Sonic, do you want millet? Yeah, you hear your sister chirping, don't you? Yeah, millet. Millet. Nice, tasty millet. Oh, yeah, there you go. Look at that. Look at that. Unwrap new flavors. Yes, indeedly do. Would you like? Okay. All right, come here. Step up. Step up. And the other. You wanna give me your other foot? And give me your other foot. Good. Oop. Okay. All right. Come here. Come here. Want some millet? Do you want some millet? Come here. Come here, little budgerigar. Come here, little budgie. You want some tasty food. You want some tasty food. Oh, okay, all right, come on. Okay, tell you what, Sonic. Look what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this millet and I'm going to put it in the cage. Oh yeah, Marshmallow's already looking at it. Come here. Come here. You want to just fly to your sister? Want to fly to your sister? I think there's some in the upstairs, the guest bathroom. Here, come here, come here. You wanna go in? You wanna go in? The door's open. I have a